What's up, everybody? So today I am in the other Wrecked Life compound. This is the garage with the vehicles, but check this out. I got a duck. I got this shelf here, man. I'm always check this out, dude. That's like sharp. I always feel like I'm gonna hit my head, so I'm always like careful because I don't want to hurt my head again. But check this out. Today we've got the BOSS plow and the Jeep. So we need to mount this up because I need to change those cutting edges. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to change the cutting edges. I don't know who needs to, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just basically take the bolts off, put the new ones on. But we're gonna see what bolt size they are. And we're gonna show you the Jeep again because it's the season and this is the plow Jeep. And a lot of people out there are like, oh, get a real truck, blah, blah, blah. Dude, this thing's made me so much money. Just as much as a truck does. And it was cheaper. And the plow Ford's cheaper. And the blades Ford are cheaper. Everything's cheaper. But it still does just as much work as a truck. I can still salt. Got my salter shelf here. It's obviously, it's a shelf. But we're gonna put that on, make sure she works. Hey, this is a reminder. We're doing a cash giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe and comment on my videos. Like them, obviously, but comment, because then I can see who's commenting. Now, this is open to anybody, family, friends. I'm learning that a lot of my family and friends, well, there's a lot of other people commenting, but not them. So if you're one of them, come on, guys, go down, support, comment on these videos. Just a simple, hey, what's up? Or an emoji, just give me the bird or something, I don't care. Show it. $150 up for grabs. We're gonna Venmo around the 20th-ish, around 15th, 20th of December of 2022. So if you're watching this next year or something, it's over, it's done. But if you're still watching this and it's not December 15th, 2022, you still got a chance. I got a lot of videos, You got a good chance of going, commenting, and earning that money. Do it. So, remember to put your remote in float mode. And then move those on your plow. And hit this button. And everything should lock into place. Now, just double check. Just double check your stuff. You don't want that plow coming off anywhere, especially when you're driving. But double check, make sure those pins lock. Alrighty, there's the plow mounted on the Jeep. Now, we're gonna do some sweeping up here. We're gonna clean a few things, and then stay tuned. We'll come back. Actually, let's we're gonna lay on this dirty thing right here real quick. But so technically I still got a little bit of life out of this blade here, but it's getting to that point where it's just a little too close for comfort. So we are going to change it. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna let that down a little bit, and we're gonna check how much more room I actually got. Because here's the deal. If I don't have to change them out just yet, I'm not going to. Thing you're gonna want to check is you're gonna want to, and I can't get this angle under here, but for the most part, I actually think I still got a little bit. Oh yeah. So for example, what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at this right here. I'm looking at that centerpiece right there to see what's gonna start hitting the ground. Now, the other thing to check is underneath here, you're gonna wanna check your mold board and your blades. And you really don't want that cutting into the mold board or your bolts. Because once they start getting into your bolts, it makes it hard to get off, and then you gotta buy new bolts. And honestly, it's not like they're much money, but I think I do have a little bit more life left out of this blade. So I think I'm going to actually leave that for now and give it a storm. Go push one storm and then reevaluate it. Now, you're gonna want to watch it each storm. This low, I'm gonna keep an eye on it each storm and just kind of gauge on how much it's wearing down each particular storm. Now, obviously I don't want to get caught in a big storm and have to push a lot of properties and then ruin it by chance. So at this point, I'm gonna go storm to storm basis. I've already got the blades, so I'm not worried about, finding any or this and that, but that is why I bought them early, so that I could have them just in case. Now, I thought I was a little lower, but I'm not. So we're good. Stay tuned. I will change those out eventually, but we're gonna leave them on for now. So anyways, we'll just make this video about, I guess, how to mount up your BOSS snowplow. I'll top it off on a Jeep. How many BOSS snowplows do you guys see running around on a Jeep? And P.S. if your dealer still won't put on the BOSS plow, just go in. Well, I take that back. I'm pretty sure the mounts are the same. So I'm pretty sure the straight blade versus this, I'm pretty sure everything that sits on the actual vehicle is the same. So go in, have them buy a mount, purchase the mount, put the mount on, and then buy the V-plow if they won't install it. But at least have them install the mount. Super easy. They should do it. If not, have them check out my videos. That's it. I'm out of here. P.S. a giveaway, cash giveaway. If you made it this far, cash giveaway. That's it. Just go comment on some of my videos. Subscribe, but comment on the videos. The biggest fan, basically gonna get 150 bucks. I'll Venmo it. It's that simple. But smile. Smile every morning on top of that. Go smile in the morning. and then pull up YouTube and watch one of my videos.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've